Is Avast SecureLine VPN the VPN to go in 2026? They say you can browse safely, stay anonymous, unblock content from around the world, and protect all your devices. All with just one tap. Avast SecureLine VPN promises speed, privacy, and complete online freedom. Sounds like the perfect VPN for 2026, right? But is Avast SecureLine actually as good as it looks? Or is it just another product relying on a famous brand name? Let's dig into what SecureLine really offers, because a lot of people know Avast for its antivirus. But not everyone knows how their VPN performs in real-world use. According to Avast, SecureLine VPN uses strong encryption, offers lightning-fast servers, protects your data on public Wi-Fi, and keeps your browsing private with a strict no-logs policy. It sounds impressive, but claims are easy to make. So we tested how it performs today in 2026. First, let's talk about speed. A lot of VPNs slow down your connection the moment you turn them on. SecureLine is better than average websites load normally, social media works, video calls stay stable, and watching HD content is smooth. But if you're expecting extremely fast speeds for activities like 4K streams, large game downloads, or heavy torrenting, SecureLine doesn't really compete with the top performers this year. It's good enough for everyday use. But it's not the fastest VPN out there. Now, let's get into something even more important: privacy. Avast claims they don't log your activity, they don't track what you browse, and they don't store your personal info. And that sounds great. But people online haven't forgotten that Avast had some controversies in the past, related to data collection in some of their other products. Even though SecureLine itself hasn't been accused of anything major, the trust factor is still something users consider. Does that mean SecureLine is unsafe? Not necessarily. But if you're someone who wants complete anonymity, the kind where privacy comes before everything else, this might not be your #1 choice. Still, for the average user who just wants protection on Wi-Fi networks or while traveling, SecureLine does the job. Speaking of travel, let's talk about streaming. Many people use VPNs to watch content from other countries, and this is where SecureLine becomes unpredictable. Some days it unlocks Netflix or Disney Plus just fine. Other days, it fails to bypass the restrictions. It's not consistent enough to be called a streaming VPN. There are better options for that in 2026. SecureLine works sometimes, but not always. Now what about torrenting? Avast actually has dedicated P2P servers, which is a plus. On those servers, the speed is solid, and downloads feel stable. But again, other VPNs offer faster speeds, more server options, and stronger privacy policies. SecureLine is good, but not leading the category. One thing it does extremely well is simplicity. And honestly, this might be its biggest strength. The app is clean, modern, and incredibly easy to use. It's the type of VPN you turn on once and never think about again. No complicated settings. No confusing menus. It's perfect for someone who wants a VPN that just works. Another good point: SecureLine integrates smoothly with Avast's other products. If you're already using Avast Antivirus or Avast One, the VPN fits right in. And for many people, having everything in one place is convenient. Now let's talk about price, because this is where things get interesting. SecureLine isn't the cheapest VPN on the market. And when you compare the feature server variety, speed, streaming performance, privacy, there are competitors offering more for less money. So yes, part of what you're paying for is the brand name and the simplicity, not necessarily premium performance. So, what's the final verdict? Is Avast SecureLine VPN the VPN to go in 2026? If you want a simple, clean, and easy VPN from a company you already know, SecureLine is a solid choice. It protects your data, it keeps you safe on public Wi-Fi, and it works well for light streaming and general browsing. But if you want the absolute best speeds, the strongest privacy features, the most reliable streaming unlocking, or the highest customization even in 2026, there are other VPNs that perform better. SecureLine is good, comfortable, reliable for everyday use. But the best? No, not this year. If this review helped you decide whether to try it or skip it, make sure to like, comment, or share so it reaches more people looking for honest answers. Stay smart, stay protected, and choose the right VPN for your needs.